Guys, today I'm going to give you a quick run through of the BDS 4-inch lift kit to suit the Ram 1500 DT with factory air suspension. So whether it's a Limited, a Rebel, anything with the factory air suspension, this kit will fit. We've done heaps of them over the past year with great success. We've tested it in our own Ram, on the beach, in the bush. Everything operates better than factory, okay guys? So this kit is 4-inch lift, also a 3-inch lift in the Aero mode. You can go down to a 2-inch lift, right up to a 6-inch lift in the Offroad 2 mode. So all your factory height adjustments still work even better. We put some Fox shocks in the rear. You've got sway bar links, full diff drop. We replace all the knuckles, so all your angles, all your CVs is absolutely perfect. This thing rides better than factory with those Fox shocks in the rear. Guys, these are in stock right now. We just had a container land, so get in touch today if you want to buy a kit. Book in for an install through the EC Workshop. Jump on the Outback Kitters website, buy a kit online, we'll send it straight to you. Let us know if you want any more info. I'll talk to you soon.